Now let me introduce how to multiply polynomials. Okay, over here we have x plus 1 times x minus 2. They're two binomials, in fact. And every time that we multiply two binomials, we can use this, FOIL. What does that mean? First, one too many O's. Outside, inside, and last. What does that mean? Well, we're going to multiply the first elements to get started. X times x, x squared. Then the outside elements, in this case the x and the negative 2. So we get negative 2x. Then the inside elements, 1 times x is x. And finally the last two, 1 times negative 2, negative 2. Then we can combine like terms. There's only two, negative 2x plus x, there's a hidden 1 here. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So negative 1x, but I won't write the 1 because it's implied. I'll just bring down the negative 2 and the x squared. So we have x squared minus x minus 2. And that's it. We have fully multiplied and expanded, even simplified these two binomials. So let's do that one more time over here with the a plus b times the a minus 2b. So first, a times a squared. Outside, a times negative 2b, negative 2ab. Inside, b times a is just ab. And last, b times negative 2b is negative 2b squared. And again, we can combine like terms. Negative 2ab plus 1ab is negative ab. Then I can just bring down the negative 2b squared and the a squared. That's it. Now, how about this? How do we multiply a binomial by a trinomial? We can use the distributive property. And what's going to happen is that we're going to multiply the x by every element inside the trinomial here. So we have x times x minus y plus 2. And then we're going to add the y and do the same. We're going to distribute the y to every term in the trinomial. Okay, so x times x is x squared. X times negative y, negative xy. X times 2 is 2x. Y times x is xy. Note that yx is the same thing as xy, right? Y times x is equal to xy, just like 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. Y times negative y is squared, and y times 2 is 2y. In this case, we only have two like terms. Negative xy plus xy will cancel out. So we end up with x squared plus 2x plus 2y minus y squared. And that's as far as we can go. Now I suggest, of course, that you practice. Practice many questions of multiplying polynomials. Good luck.